Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Dancehall artist Dexta Daps is currently embarked on his multi-city U.S. tour. The tour kicked off in September and will see the artist making stops in Philadelphia, Washington and Atlanta. The tour will also see Dexta heading to the UK in November with performances in Manchester, England and Birmingham. Dexta Daps recently dropped his Vent Deluxe album on September 30. The album features his popular hits Call Me If and Breaking News. Dexta Daps also released a new video for the track I'm On My Way, which was directed by Philly Flyboy and Raheem Visram. I'm On My Way is also featured on the album. The track is currently trending number 30 on music streaming platform YouTube. Now, dancehall artist TVJ has dropped a new video and a single dubbed Bitcoin. The song was released on his birthday and will be featured on his upcoming album Rags to Riches. On the single, the artist emphasizes making an investment in cryptocurrency, while the video sees TVJ operating his crypto business in a laundromat.
They match up, but you know see them match up smart. Cryptocurrency, you know see say me start. They match up, but you all of them match up smart. They match up smart. Tap smart.
Bitcoin was produced by and released through Top Braff Music and Troy Boss Music. The Up-Top Boss is gearing up to release his Rags to Riches album in the coming months. He has also dropped the songs Badness Manu About, Weed or Money, Best Life, Love Experience with Jada Kingdom, among others. Popular online music series Versus will be taken over by dancehall legend Supercat as part of its Icons concert series. Supercat's appearance follows a hugely successful dancehall battle between stalwarts Bounty Killer and Beenie Man. The self-proclaimed Don Dada will hit the stage October 16 live from the Barclays Center in New York. Supercat dominated the dancehall scene and is known for the hit singles Mud Up, Under Pressure, Books and Get a Red Hot. The Versus concert series will also see performances from Big Daddy Kane and KRS-One on October 17. Versus was created by producers Timbaland and Swiss Beats. The show was introduced during the COVID-19 pandemic as a virtual DJ battle with Timbaland and Swiss Beats facing off in the first round through an Instagram live broadcast in March of 2020. Now this weekend, the Miss Jamaica World 2020 Grand Coronation Show takes place. The event, which is slated for tomorrow, will air live on RETV and will see the 15 finalists vying for the coveted title and the prizes. The pageant returns after a one-year break due to the COVID-19 pandemic. I am Daedran reporting for your weekend edition of E-Prime. Be safe.